Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I'm back to do a little work on the spring journal. Again, I have a new setup, so I'm kind of testing as well. So, one thing that I needed to do, well, let's look at this first. I went ahead and purchased a digital. The digital is from Modernista Print Shop on Etsy. And I think I got two digitals, but this is just one of the two. I do link to all of the digitals that I purchased for planners and for journals on my Pinterest. So I will put those links in the description box below so you can see what I purchased from Etsy and if you're interested or whatever. I thought that was a good way to share it and to share the Etsy shops that I frequent. So these are some of the pages. Um, I think this is the add-ons or most some of the add-ons. And then I have cut out quite a few of them already. So that's what this is. You got pockets, tags. There's some more of the pockets, some large pockets. And I just thought that it went well with the look of this. I did wanna make this journal too Eastery, but I really like this kid, and I thought the bunnies were kinda cute, so I'll see what I can come up with to use this, and I printed some of it on 32-pound paper, some of them are on cardstock. But before I get into that, this piece, which is my digital, is a misprint. Now I have covered each signature with vellum, and the vellum is slightly smaller than the signature because my printer doesn't print well, the printer that I printed on didn't print border or doesn't print borderless. So, because this edge is shorter, it is catching on the edge of the frame, for the back cover and the front cover, inside cover. So, this printed incorrectly. But I didn't toss it. Let's see, which way was it? So, you see, it's stopped there. So I trimmed this piece off. I'm going to use this to turn this into an envelope. I said all of that in a roundabout way, but I'm thinking I can wrap this around this page and create the envelope. Now, which side did I want to use? So when you open the flap, you'll see that. Now, I think I want to open the flap and see this. So it'll also create a tuck on the other page, and then you would be able to see whatever is put in the pocket. So I just need to decide what kind of shape I want for my flap. I thought I knew, but maybe I don't know. Should I just leave it squared? Hope I don't regret this. So let's see. I guess I want to fold it like right about here. But is that going to be extremely long? It is. I wonder if I'm going to fold it like this. Hope I don't regret it. I can always print it again. And then I can do like a tuck here, maybe. So this side won't be so long. But let's wait and see. So that's going to cover that. Then is that going to catch on the other side? I don't think so. All right, let's fix the shape. I kinda wanted to fold this back to make a tuck. I guess I can still do it. The reason I was hesitant is because it's on this side, so when you open it, these things could fall out of the tuck, and they would fall out of the journal, but let's not worry about that. Let's just make it. Alright, let's try this again. So it would be glued onto this page like so. Why does it seem like this paper is longer? I need to trim a hair off of it. Let's stop hemming and hawing and glue this down. It's gonna go like this. Maybe I should have made it even bigger so it wouldn't get caught. But I think it won't. Well, this is getting caught now. Wow. All right, so before I glue this down, I need to secure this. But how? Let's go ahead and do this. Right, let's see. Just want to test. See, I want this to be a little tighter. I might end up adding some glue in the center. Let's do that. Is that the center? All right, let's figure this out now. I don't like to use Velcro, and I don't think I can use a magnet. Can I? So I'm trying to figure this out because I don't want this just flopping around. I'm not a fan of putting paper clips on everything, even though I will. And because the vellum is a little shorter, I have to figure out something to do on the top and bottom edge. But I guess I can go ahead and glue them down. I'm just concerned that I don't have enough room here to access. And I was thinking of folding this over. I don't know if I should do that. I could trim it off. I think I'm gonna fold it over. What's it gonna hurt, right? Let's just do it. I think I'm spending too much time debating on this one. Let's just get it done. And then that's gonna make this edge more secure. I wonder if I should turn it inside. I think I'll leave it on the outside. Then that can be used as a tuck, maybe as well. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Let's go ahead and burnish that down. All right, let's glue it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the vellum to this paper. This is why I'm such a slow crafter because I have to think too much and I don't do it fast enough. So we got that. Then that gives me a good sized pocket here. And I think that'll be good. Now I just need something to border this and to border this edge. But I'm also going to put a pocket here. And then what I put in that pocket can help hold that close. So it wouldn't be anything necessarily that big, maybe something like this. And I don't know what these things are supposed to say on here. And let's see, do I have an egg? I had an egg. Let's just grab one of these labels. So an egg, a label, something small that can hold that close. And then it can also have something larger behind it. So kind of like this, right? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. I'm just thinking, do I want to glue this down before I glue down whatever I'm going to use to cover this edge? Probably shouldn't, but let's do this. And I'm going to go all the way to the edge, I think. Okay, so that works. Then I can actually decorate this and then stick it back there like that. Okay. So that's that. It's a little odd. All right, let me keep it going. Do I want to use something like this? I don't know. Then we got this big pocket here. So I'm gonna need lots of ephemera to fill this up. I'm gonna pause and see what trims I have that I can use for this and try to organize myself. I'm a little flustered today. That's a good way to say it. I'm a little flustered. So let me see if I can get this glue off my desk, find the other trims, and I'll be back. All right, so I have plugged up my hot glue gun, and I got this trim that I got from Temu, and I think I'm gonna go around, and I got a piece of wax paper here. I'm gonna go around this once I figure out which side is the correct side. This is the correct side. So we're gonna go around here, and I'm not that good with the hot glue. Let's see. Maybe I should change my thing to my other finger. Yep. Let's try this finger. Oh, I can't do it with that. I'm just gonna have to risk getting burnt. Don't have enough control with that. Might have to put some on the other side too. You can see the white edge a little bit in places, but I'll fix that later. Now, should I go along the other edge and do the same thing? Think so. hmm So let's do that. All right. I did the best that I could do with that. It'll go like that. I need to trim off the edges, and maybe I'll take a marker and touch up where I didn't get all the way to the edge. Will this still work? To hold it closed, it kind of gets in the way, but I don't think I need so much to hold it closed now because the weight of the trim kind of holds it in place. I thought I would use this trim up top here, maybe, or down here. Nope, I might need that hot glue gun again. Now I'm thinking I should just go all the way around the edge. But then can I turn the page? Is this in the way? I don't think I want to go all the way around. I'll probably change my mind later though. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put some type of pocket. I might continue this up here, maybe. So I'm gonna stop there for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I will holler at y'all next time. Bye.